Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kimmy Cat here. And today I will do something for Valentine's. I'll be making a dessert. This one is called leche flan. This is a Filipino dessert um, that we make every fiesta or every like any celebration. You will always find leche flan, and it's fairly easy to make. It's a little time consuming, but it's like the ingredients are all here. So basically, all you need are some egg yolks. So I have about 10 here. I separated the white from the yellow, and all I have are the yolks here. You'll also need condensed milk, about 14 ounce or I think about like 396 to 400 grams of condensed milk right there. You'll also need a cup of evaporated milk, or if you can't find evaporated milk, use right here, use a a cup of whole milk, but I would highly suggest using evaporated milk as it gives more flavor and that creaminess that it gives. You cannot just miss the creaminess of evaporated milk when it comes to desserts. You'll also need some vanilla extract, and this is optional, but since it's Valentine's Day, it's all about the heart. So we're gonna add a little bit of food coloring, which I'm using red here. And also for the flavor, I believe that everything that's sweet, it needs to, when you're making dessert, you have to add a bit of salt. Be it cookies, be it cake, you need to add some salt because salt gives a little flavor. Salt will define sweetness, will define sweetness even farther than just without salt. So also you need a I think this is called lanera in Tagalog. I don't know what it's called. It's a mold. Yeah, so here I got a heart-shaped mold, but you can use any mold that you could find. Doesn't matter. But since it's Valentine's Day, I want to make it special. So I'll make a heart-shaped leche flan. So let's get started, you guys. I'm so excited to make this. I haven't had leche flan in a while. So yeah, like I haven't made it in about 2 years. Is combine all the ingredients together. Like this is so easy. Combine your milk, condensed milk, about 400 grams here. Also, you'll need about we're gonna steam this, so get like a big pot or something or a steamer if you have one to steam the leche flan. The salt, and now we're gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract and the food coloring. Now we're just gonna whisk this. I'm gonna show you, and the sugar, guys. The sugar, we're gonna use it as the caramel that would be on top, that would be placed on top of the leche flan. I'll show you how we're gonna make it later. But first, let's whisk the this thing first. I don't know what it's called. You have to be careful. Oh my god. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this first. So when you're whisking this, I advise you not to over whisk it or whisk it vigorously because we don't want to make, or we don't want to create a lot of bubbles. So just whisk this ever so gently like this. And And I would like to personally thank the people who helped me with my plant, like my habanero. Yesterday, I've been seeing a lot of like gnats, and I don't know if they're gnats or flies or whatever they are. I saw like a couple of them, maybe more than a couple of them yesterday. So they gave me a lot of feedbacks and a lot of suggestions on how to like get rid of them. I thank you so much, guys. I never expected that much replies. So thank you so much again. So for the sugar, you'll need about a cup of sugar, or maybe less if you're making less. Caramel. So over medium heat, low medium heat, you just want to gently stir your sugar. So I'm using granulated sugar here. So I added some food coloring as well into the caramel. So we'll give that red, vivacious coloring. Let's work it. Yes, let's work it. So at this point, you need to, you should also have your, like the pot of boiling water, like I said earlier, ready. So this will take about, for something like this size, like this is about a 3-inch lanetta or mold. It will take about 20 minutes over medium heat. So what you want to do now is to pour a little bit of the caramel onto your mold. And be very careful with this, guys. This is extremely, extremely hot, okay? You don't want to burn yourself. Sugar, hot syrup. Alright, so we're just gonna wanna leave this for about a minute to cool down first. And after that, we're gonna add the milk mixture. You wanna let this cool down for a bit, like 1-2 minutes, because you don't want, like, once you put the mixture in there, you don't want it to mix with the caramel. You want it to stay there in place. So we'll leave it for about 1 minute. So now I have placed the milk mixture into my mold. We're gonna start steaming this. Lid on for about 30 minutes. Oh, by the way, guys, I almost forgot. You need to cover your mold with aluminum foil, because you don't want the water to condense back into your mold, and that will make it watery. So try to cover that up with anything that you can get your hands onto. So 20 minutes over low medium heat, and we're gonna check it after. So it has been about 20 minutes. We're gonna check to see if our leche flan is cooked. Lower down the heat, and we're gonna use the good old knife test. So try to poke in the middle, and if it comes out clear like that, it means it's cooked. Okay, guys, so this is our leche flan, Valentine special. So can't wait to try this. Oh my god, look at the color, guys. It's so cute. So where shall I start? Oh my god, that looks beautiful. And so milky at the same. Wow. 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 Oh my gosh. That's one beautiful leche flan. Alright guys, as always, if you guys learned something or enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, help me grow. I would appreciate it. And also if you like if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So this is enjoy your Valentine's Day.